call her.
I did. Hey.
Wow, there was like some kind of tornado here.
Yeah, there's a tornado or something. We're gonna make a right up here.
Did you
And go
hear it?
another way.
We're gonna go make a right.
Okay, we're right behind you. We're too close behind you.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow, there's some kind of this is insane.
Yeah.
It won't let me do the video for some reason.
I'm telling you to make a U-turn because I saw the cars all coming at us.
Yeah, I couldn't tell. I guess, yeah, fire truck was blocking everything.
Something must have happened up there.
Well, I think something really big fell from the ground.
Yeah, we're on the street bridges. It's unbelievable.
The what?
We had the flames in too.
Look at that.
Normally, at least burned it on this phone. Did you guys get a warning sound?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mine was delayed.
Where's my video? I can't get the video now.
What do you mean? Where is it, or how do you do it?
Well, I had it on my camera and
All right, listen, we'll follow you, okay?
All right, can you
Okay.
see us?
All right.
Okay, never mind. Some kind of tornado went by, knocked everything out. Wow, the first tornado in Florida. Well, no, not the first one.
I had to be here for it.
I know.
Man, look at all the stuff I had open. Wow. Still can't get the video. Where is it?
What do you mean? You want to play it, or?
I want to record. Here we go. We're going through a tornado. Look at the sky. How dark it is. Woo! Lisa's driving. She's the experienced Floridian.
I have driven in this hail before with tornadoes going. Does he think because he's a postman he can go in front of me like that?
I guess so.
Yeah, he's not even thanking me. He, she.
It could be
Binary.
I was just gonna say.
I'm just going off of the application choices.
Uh-oh. I would put that.
Wow, there's something bad. You know where they're going? Traumahawk to St. Mary's. Feel
Oh my
bad for them.
goodness. Yeah,
I do.
I do too. Not the place to be. They're in the middle of the street. Why are they in the middle of the street?
Because there's no lights working.
Oh.
The lights are out. Lightning.
They don't even flash? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, what happened? It was a tornado. Because look at how bent everything is.
That's everything.
And the trees and rubbish. It's apocalypse.
Yep, Jesus is coming back.
Yep.
He's coming back to take the dead and the living and
Bring us a new body.
bring us to see Jesus, his Father, God.
And eat.
Oh, look at this sign, Lisa.
I know.
Wow.
Oh wow. Something.
Oh, we're going.
This
look at
is crazy. This looks like
Oh my
Zombie
gosh,
Land,
this is
right?
Oh my God.
It does. It looks like
Holy
this.
cow.
We're going. It's definitely like the end of the world.
As we know it.
As we know it, it's the end of the world. Wow, this is so cool.
Okay, here comes a fire truck. Oh no! Fire truck. Somebody got stuck. They're going
Wow.
to St. Mary's.
Oh God, they're gonna die. Wow, this is crazy. Damn. Are they behind me? Where are they? I gotta wait for them then.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. They don't know where they're going.
They don't have it on
Well,
the
where are
The
they?
two cars behind you, she said.
I know, and now she's nowhere to be found.
Oh my God. You want me to call her?
Yeah. Well, she should call. Oh, it's John. John driving. Where is he? No, not me. Did you just call me?
No. Oh, yeah.
You have to like press album. Who's
Hey, Linda, I thought I had you on speaker. Hold on a second. We're pulling over. Are you there? How far behind are you?
Okay, we're on PGA. We're on PGA.
Still?
Prosperity Farms.
Did you make a right on Elson Wilson?
No. Go straight, John. Just go because you're in the middle of the road.
How did you do that? Where?
We're on PGA and we just passed Prosperity Farms.
God, you
You're
gotta
right
make
up there.
no. You gotta make a right on Prosperity Farms.
Oh, okay. You gotta turn around, John. Try to get all the way to the left and make a U-turn.
Actually, if you're going back, make a left on Elson Wilson. Go back over the bridge, and make a left.
Okay, hold on. You gotta make a U-turn.
What is? Should I wait? I gotta wait.